Welcome to the Foundry by Forge College. In our last lesson, we focused on building emergency brakes to stop a protocol safely. Today, we are building the engine. We are going to construct a deposit-borrow-trade script for a derivatives workflow, and we will use AI to help us do it. The golden rule of using an AI assistant for smart contract development is simple. Do not ask it to write a complete, finished trading bot in one single prompt. If you do, you get a tangled, untestable mess of code that is impossible to debug. This cyclical flowchart maps the iterative sprint for safe AI collaboration. We start with scaffold, move to dry run, refactor the code, and finally validate. This loop targets AI hallucinations through frequent verification, letting you test sequence logic before adding protocol-specific code. This diagram shows how we start the scaffolding phase. You prompt your AI to write a minimal TypeScript script containing separate, empty placeholder functions, often called stubs. Notice the three distinct boxes here, one for a deposit action, one to borrow, and one to trade. Then you instruct the AI to wrap these three independent stubs into a single, higher-level sequence. We will call this container performLeveraged flow. In Forge College courses, we emphasize this kind of modularity in Web3 development heavily. Keeping your functions isolated from the start is critical because it makes finding and fixing bugs much easier down the line. Building these empty, dumb stubs is a deliberate strategy. It allows you to test the overarching transaction sequence and logic flow first, before you introduce the complex, pool-specific math that often breaks things. This timeline illustrates simulateTransaction. Think of it as a flight simulator for your Solana code. It executes your transaction and shows you the account diffs, exactly how your wallet balances would change, without costing you any real gas fees. But consider a dangerous scenario. What happens if your code works perfectly, but right in the middle of execution, your network connection drops? Your bot, not knowing if the transaction succeeded, might just blindly retry. That blind retry can cause your bot to accidentally double drain a collateral vault, simply because the protocol didn't realize it was looking at the exact same request. This means your basic scaffolded code is fundamentally unsafe for a live network. To survive real-world chaos, the script must be upgraded so it can recognize and reject duplicate actions. We solve this with a concept called idempotency. It is the exact same safeguard that prevents an online store from double charging your credit card if you accidentally refresh the checkout page. On Solana, you implement idempotency by passing a unique key via a memo instruction. When the network sees a transaction bearing a key it has already processed, it simply ignores the duplicate request. The second upgrade we need is exponential backoff. Instead of spamming the network with immediate retries when something fails, your bot waits progressively longer after each failed attempt. Take a second and look at this timer. How would you actually phrase the prompt to your AI assistant to implement that idempotency key? The ideal prompt looks like this. Refactor to add an optional idempotency key parameter and ensure it is added as a memo instruction. This tells the AI to attach that unique identifier directly to your performLeveraged flow block. By identifying exact vulnerabilities, like aggressive retries and double spends, and demanding specific architectural patterns to fix them, you force the AI to produce resilient, production-ready code. This evaluation table outlines our final validation step. We take the newly refactored idempotent AI snippet and run it on a local validator to check the account diffs one last time. We are looking for three specific metrics of success. First, the simulation shows 0 errors. Second, idempotency ensures there are no duplicate balance changes on a retry. And third, the exponential backoff delays are clearly visible in the system logs. These 4 bullet points summarize our golden rules for AI coding labs. Design with explicit inputs, demand idempotency, separate your builders from your submission logic, and always simulate before deployment. To dive deeper into Solana development, AI integration patterns, and other Web3 subjects, visit forge.college and explore our educational resources. AI is an excellent tool for accelerating the mechanical parts of writing code, but the safety, the risk analysis, and the ultimate control must always remain in your hands.